Lowe's was out, but we have it here at Home Depot. Good. Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to do the jute and ashes fire roll. We're only going to need a foot of the twine, and we'll go ahead and separate it down into its 3 separate cords, and then separate those cords into their individual fibers, or as close as we can get to it. Then I'm going to take about 24 feet of this and use it for my tinder bundle. Now yes, that's kind of wasteful, but I just wanted to show you that you can use unprocessed jute for our tinder bundle. And it works nicely. All right, let's pull off about a foot. Twist it. Separate these 3 cords. Let's put this right here. Then start separating out the fibers. I'd work with jute a lot more if you could break this stuff down quicker. You know, a lot of times I'll take and just pull it apart over the sharp edge of my knife. But it doesn't get it as fine as when you pull it apart fiber by fiber. So really, for the fire roll, you'll need these fibers to be pretty well separated. Now we'll continue to pull these apart a little bit, rough them up, process them up. I like to just roll it into a tube and then flatten it out. That sort of wraps up all the loose ends. It gives you some good edges on the fire roll. And I'm just going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes. That's way too much. And I need some ashes on the bottom board also. That's the way it looks before I tighten it up. Let's go for it. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.